Sai Ram children, welcome back to our maths class. We will continue with lesson number 9, money. So get ready with your maths book, notebook and pencil box. Now children, we have finished currency. Then we have done addition and subtraction of paise. So today we will be doing addition and subtraction of rupees. Okay, it is same as you have done the addition and subtraction. So we will be doing this with rupees and one more, writing rupees and paise. It is very simple. You can do it very quickly. Okay, so get ready. Okay. Now, I will explain you with few examples. Addition and subtraction of rupees. We add or subtract rupees like any other numbers. Okay, first listen to me. Now here you can see question 1. What is written? What is the amount? The amount is rupees 10. Now you see where the rupees is written. It is written in front of 10. Rupees 5. Okay. So we have to add rupees 10 plus rupees 5. Okay. And shall we start? Yes. 0 plus 5. Okay. First 0 plus 5 is 5. And this 1 will come down. So your answer is rupees 15. Okay, understood? Now question 2. Rupees 60 minus rupees 15. So look at the sign. It is addition or subtraction. So you know simple addition, simple subtraction to do. So you can do it. Now rupees 60 minus rupees 15. So first we have to subtract this. For this you have to cut this 0 and make it 10. 10. Now 10 minus 5. Yes, you all know. 5. And then what we have to do? 1 less than 6. Cut it. You are getting 5. So 5 minus 1. 4. So your answer is rupees 45. Don't forget to write rupees. Okay. Question 3. Rupees 19 plus rupees 10. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is rupees 29. Okay children. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, take out your book. Open page 160. Write today's date. And write classwork. And finish the work with me. Add or subtract. Question A. Rupees 40 plus rupees 20. Yes? 0 plus 0. Ready? Yes. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay? Simple addition. Now question B. Rupees 79 minus rupees 42. Now first subtract 9 minus 2. Yes, 7. And then 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Yes, do the subtraction. You are getting 3. So the answer is rupees 37. Okay. Now question C. Try to do yourself. Yes, rupees 35 plus rupees 50. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 3 plus 5, 8. Rupees 85. All are finished. Now you can check your answer. Correct? All have done? Very good. Now question D. Will you try to do yourself? Rupees 65 plus rupees 25. Yes, children, start doing. 5 plus 5. Yes, right. 5 plus 5. 10. Now 1 will be carried over here. You know the carryover. How to do the carryover? So it is like that only. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 2. Yes, do slowly, slowly. 7 plus 2 is 9. Rupees 90. Question E. Rupees 50 minus rupees 13. So we have to subtract. So for this, what you will do? Cut this 0, make it 10. 10 minus 3. 10 is there. Take out 3. 7. And this 5, what you will do? 1 less than 5. 4. Okay. 4 minus 1. 3. Rupees 37. Now question F. Rupees 93 minus rupees 25. Again subtraction. So 3 is the small number. 3 is a small number. So what you have to do? Cut and write 13. Now 13 minus 5. 13 is there. Take out 5. Yes. Do the subtraction. What did you get after subtracting? 8. Yes, then correct. Now this 9 minus 2. So cut 9. 1 less than 9 is 8. And 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 6. Rupees 68. Correct? You can do. You have finished before me. Then check the answer. All have finished. You are getting the correct answer. Rupees 90, rupees 37, rupees 68. Okay. Now question G. You have to add the amount rupees 45 plus rupees 30 plus rupees 15. Okay. So first 5 plus 0, 5. And then 5 plus 5, 10. So write 0 here. And okay, 5 plus 5, 10. You will write 0. And 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 4, 5. Yes, do slowly. 5. Then 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1. Yes, 8 plus 1, 9. Correct? Rupees 90. Now question H. We have to add rupees 70 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 20. So we will start from here. 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 0 is 5. Correct? And then we have to add 7 plus 2. Okay? Here nothing is written. Okay? So 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 7 is there. Add 2 more, 9. Okay? So rupees 95. Done. Now question I. We have to add rupees 65 plus rupees 12 plus rupees 24. Now first 5 plus 2, 7. Then 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Yes, count slowly. What did you get? 7 plus 4 is 11. So we will write 1 here and the 1 will be carried over. Okay. Now 1 plus 6, 7. Correct? 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, remember 8? 8 plus 2. Do slowly. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is, we are getting 10. So again we will write 0 in this box and nothing is here to add. Okay. So for 10, this 1 we will write here. So your answer is rupees 101. Okay children? Understood? Do slowly. Check your answer. Rupees 90, rupees 95, rupees 101. Correct? Okay. All are finished. Now we will be doing writing rupees and paise. Okay. So to write rupees and paise in short, we put a dot between them. Now what is dot? How you put a dot? Like this. Like this. Okay. You know to put the dot? Yes. This dot separates the rupees from the paise. We only write, see this symbol of rupees, when we write rupees and paise together with a dot. Okay, for example, rupees 1, then dot is there and 50. Okay, that is 1 rupees 50 paise. So we are not writing P, we are writing this rupees symbol, 1 dot, then 50. Okay, now I will explain you. ₹5. Now just listen to me. 5 rupees and 30 paise is written as, now see how you will write, rupees 5.30. Okay, we are not writing P. Okay, only you will write like this, rupees 5.30. 11 rupees and 5 paise is written as rupees 11, then give a dot. Now 5 paise, so we have written 0, 5. Okay, 10 rupees is written as rupees 10.00. Rupees 220 rupees and 10 paise is written as rupees 220 dot then 10. Okay, understood? Clear to you children? Now we will do our classwork, so it will become easy for you. Okay, open page 161, write classwork. Yes, you can see it is written write in short. Question A, it is written 15 rupees and 20 paise. I will show you how to write, then you can do. So write the symbol of rupees, then 15 you will write, give a dot, 20 paise, only write 20, no need to write P, okay. Question B, 80 rupees and 35 paise, you will try how to write. Question B, question C, question D. Yes, children? Yes, try yourself. Then check the answer. Is it correct? Rupees 80.35. Yes. Don't write P. Rupees 3.60. Rupees 1.10. That is for 10 paise. No need to write P. And don't forget to give the dot, write the dot, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay, finished? Question D. Now question E, 95 rupees and 5 paise. So write rupees, then 95, then what we will do? Give a dot and 5 paise is there, children. So what you will write? 0, 5. Correct? Got it? Understood? Now try to do question F, G and H. Yes. You all can do yourself. Rupees 77 rupees. So you will write rupees 77.00. Question G, 26 rupees and 40 paise, rupees 26.40. Question H, 79 rupees and 51 paise, you will write rupees 79.51. Is it clear? You have understood how you will write? All have finished till here? Okay. Finished? Now write the following in rupees and paise. Question A, how you will write? It is written in short, no? Rupees 38, then dot 45. Okay. So 38 rupees and 45 paise. How you will write? Like this. Understood? Now question B. It is written rupees 53.10. Try to write 53 rupees and 10 paise. Question C. Rupees 185.00. Yes. Try to write 185 rupees. Question D, rupees 212.05. So 212 rupees and 5 paise. Yes, I am waiting for you. Finish it. Have you understood, children? Yes, write slowly. Yes, try to finish with me. Then you will finish your classwork. Done? All have finished? You have understood how you will write? Now question E. Okay? Question F, rupees 25.25. Right, 25 rupees and 25 paise. Question G, rupees 214.90. Right, 214 rupees and 90 paise. Question H, rupees 199.50, that is 50. So 199 rupees and 50 paise. Correct? Note it down. All have finished till here. You have understood, children? Addition or subtraction, addition and subtraction of rupees we have done today, and you have learned writing rupees and paise. Okay? Now just do this homework. Add or subtract. Question 1, rupees 39 plus rupees 11. Question 2, rupees 87 minus rupees 24 equal to question 3, rupees 95 minus rupees 60 equal to question 4, rupees 44 plus rupees 36 equal to. Okay, this much only. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.